kids. I'm Little Bunny. Are you ready to count with me? Let's jump and count from 1 to 10. Come on! Number 1 little bird in the sky. One little bird flying high. Let's count together. 1. Number 2 little ducks by the pond. 2 little ducks quack along. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. Number 3 bright butterflies in the air, flying softly everywhere. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 red apples on the tree, big and shiny. 1, 2, 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shining stars so bright, twinkling softly in the night. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Number 6 bright balloons in the sky, floating, floating up so high. Let's count together. 1,